Hey guys, welcome to Pilgrim Motorsports for another edition of Feel Good Friday. It was Australia Day this weekend. You know what that means? Neither do I, so I'm wearing a cowboy hat. Come on, let's go see what's going on. So last week, guys, we came to you with our beautiful 2019 Bullitt Mustang. A thing of beauty. In a juxtaposition this week, we're gonna go old school. We got a 1966 302 cubic inch Restomod for a little bit of Feel Good Friday. It's an absolutely gorgeous car. Ford Lightning Blue, the Le Mans Shelby white stripes running down it the whole way. And of course, the deep race splitter in the front, because who doesn't love a little bit of downforce? This car's gorgeous. It's sitting on 18-inch wheels, 225s all around, and it is gorgeous. Got these beautiful black American racing wheels on it, and the bodywork is stunning on this car. The bodywork and the paint has been detailed by Andy, who's in charge of that in the shop here, and he's done an absolutely beautiful job. Clay barred this down, two-stage compound on it, and just a beautiful amount of wax over the top, and really making this car shine. This is a service that we offer here at Pilgrim Motorsports to anyone. So if you guys have a car that, for example, looks something like this, or if you'd like one, give us a ring down here at the shop and we can tell you how we can make your bodywork absolutely shine. Now, before we go anywhere else, I just wanted to say a big thank you to all you guys for all the support and all the love that we've been getting for the videos. It's absolutely great, and it's an absolute blast to do, so thank you guys. Let's take a look under the bonnet, kids. So, underneath this bonnet with its handsome Le Mans stripes, you will find an absolutely beautiful motor in this car. The 302 cubic inch Ford block. Small block motor, V8 of course, 4.9 liter, making about 300 horse, and this one's been tuned up a little bit. It's got a competition cam in it, it's got a 4-barrel Edelbrock carb, it's got an Edelbrock Performer alley intake manifold, and yeah, it's just a joy. This car makes a lot of warmth, we could say, in the tires. And yeah, it's a thing of beauty. As you see, the paint's been matched all on the inside. The engine compartment's been done. It's got these billet aluminum engine braces that are absolutely spectacular. And this is just an absolutely beautiful example of what you can do with a Restomod. This is a California car. It came to us here at Pilgrim from Stockton, California. It spent the majority of its life before that in Sacktown, Sacramento, California, and it shows. It's a beautiful car underneath, it's a beautiful car inside, and she goes, man, she goes. Let's take a look inside, see what we got. So here we are inside of our 302 Restomod car. As we said before, it's a 1966. It's got a C4 automatic transmission into it, which has been put in after the fact. It's got this beautiful Grant wood steering wheel, which just has a lovely feel to it, and an absolutely great look for the Restomod that could be yours. And of course, it has ample room for any cowboy hat you may need to wear. Maybe not a 10-gallon hat, they're quite tall, but this one certainly fits inside the car in a lovely way to celebrate Australia Day, as we talked about earlier, of course. Now, this car has had full front and rear disc conversion. It's got some beautiful little upgrades and little flourishes inside of it, such as this instrument cluster, which you can see here. Beautiful brushed aluminium finish. I said aluminium that time, not aluminum. I'm proud of myself. And there's just a whole lot of goodness inside of this car. The seats are beautiful. They're leather. They're absolutely gorgeous. The inside's been fully validated and fully detailed. And this car is ready to go, ready to be yours, ready to be your dream. 1966 Restomod, 42,000 pound, a steal here at Pilgrim Motorsports. Come on down and see us anytime you like, guys, because we got this, we got a whole bunch more. We're open on Saturdays. You can come down and check out the shop, and we'll be back next week with another installment of Feel Good Friday. For myself, Spencer, for everyone else here at Pilgrim Motorsports, and for those of you at home, thank you for watching, and don't you go changing, kids.